राह जहां तक जाएगी राहगीर वहां तक जाएगा। तुम दरिया से क्या पूछ रहे कि नीर कहां तक जाएगा। खींच धनु की डोर निशाना साधो अपनी मंजिल का। खींच धनु की डोर निशाना साधो अपनी मंजिल का। ये बाद में देखा जाएगा कि तीर कहां तक जाएगा। हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज दीपक कुमार and with me is standing Mr. Abuzar, and we are conducting a debate, a conversation about that how to improve, how to maintain our motivation, our patience for doing any work. I think when we start any long lasting work to do, but many people give their perspective on that work, and at that situation there is a controversy create that should I do that work or not. Then Mr. Abuzar, said your opinion.
Yes, thanks for giving a wonderful opportunity.
Yes.
And again, thanks for asking. And according to my point of view, motivation means positivity and understanding and happiness.
Yes.
So according to you, some people give suggestion, you give direction, so you have understanding ability, and it's also part of motivation, because you are able to understand which work and which things is most significant for you, and which things is not beneficial for you. That time, if you have understanding ability, that time you can do this work. And positivity, if you have positive attitude, at that time you can crack any exam. And if you hard work in your work, with your work,
Yes.
that time you can get success. So what do you want to say about the positivity, because it's also part of motivation?
Yes.
You want to say?
Yeah, I want to say that your attitude is your direction.
Yeah.
Yes. Which type of attitude do you have,
Yeah.
and its direction is that your direction.
Yeah, because if you have attitude, positive attitude and negative attitude, and you say some people also give suggestions, so you are able to understand what is positive attitude and what is negative attitude. That time, if you have understanding ability, that time you can get. And happiness, it's also part of motivation. So according to my perspective, if you have understanding ability, and after getting anything, you are also fulfill of happiness. So we can say, if you have motivation and struggle, and if you do work proper way, so we can say you also get happiness.
Yes.
So what do you want to say about the happiness?
You are right. For doing any work, first of all, you have positivity,
Yeah.
and second thing is hard work.
Yes.
And if you are doing hard work, then you will definitely get your success.
Yes.
And after getting success, you will be happy.
Yeah.
Yes.
So can I ask, success is also depend on motivation?
Success.
Is depend on motivation?
Yes, you are right. If you are not positive,
Yeah.
if you are not directed towards your goal,
Yeah.
then you are can't achieve your
Yeah.
goal.
So we can say, with the help of motivation, you can get your dream.
Yes,
You
yes,
can get
definitely, of course.
success. So, and what do you want to say about the some people also watch reel, and
Yes.
15 minutes reel also give motivation suggestion.
Yeah.
And after watching this type of reel, they also said, I am fulfill of motivation. But it motivation also run 1 week or 1 month. After passing 1 month or 1 week, they also forget which type of motivation I have.
Yes, you are right.
So if you have any goal, that time you also fulfill a motivation, because goals also depend on your motivation. If you have motivation, that time you can do. And if you have the fear of losing anything, that time you also fulfill a motivation. So what do you want to say about that person, whose person watch reel, and after watching reel, they also say I am fulfill a motivation?
Yes, sir. I think you should busy in any work to yourself,
Yeah.
and if you are busy in any work, then you don't have any motivation.
Yes.
You don't need any education.